foreign dignitaries, comrades, and friends. Today, by our presence here and by celebrations taking place across our country and around the world, we bestow glory and hope upon a newborn liberty. This freedom has emerged from the experience of an extraordinary human disaster that lasted far too long. It must now give birth to a society of which all humanity will be proud. Our daily duties as ordinary South Africans must produce a real South African reality, one that reinforces humanity's belief in justice, strengthens confidence in the nobility of the human spirit, and sustains hope for a better life for all. These are the questions we have posed to ourselves and to the peoples of the world who are so well represented here today. To my compatriots and to my fellow South Africans, I say without hesitation that each one of us is as deeply attached to the soil of this beautiful country as are the famous jacaranda trees of Pretoria. Each time we touch this land, we feel a sense of personal renewal. As the seasons change, so does the national mood. We are filled with joy and exhilaration when the grass turns green and the flowers bloom. This spiritual and physical oneness with our homeland explains the depth of the pain we carried as we watched our country tear itself apart in bitter conflict and become isolated from the world. Outlawed because it had become the embodiment of the cruel ideology of racism and racial oppression. Today, we the people of South Africa feel fulfilled, knowing that humanity has welcomed us back into its family. Not long ago, we were outcasts. Today, we have the rare privilege of hosting the nations of the world on our own soil. We thank all our distinguished international guests for standing shoulder to shoulder with our people in the shared pursuit of justice, peace, and human dignity. We trust that you will continue to support us as we confront the challenges of building peace, prosperity, non-racialism, non-sexism, and democracy. We acknowledge